If you ever see this creature, stay far away. It might look calm, even kind of cool with that rattle on its tail. But don't be fooled. It's dangerous from the moment it's born. Why? The reason will shock you. But first, if you think this baby kitten is cute, like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you hate baby kittens. Drop a heart in the comments if you love animals. Now listen up, rattlesnakes are born with venom. Yep, from the second they hatch, they're already packing poison. Their bite, it can be seriously dangerous, and in some cases, even deadly.